Good morning, this is Tuesday the 25th of November and this is your ETX Capital Daily Market Bite. Overnight the Dow Jones rose about 0.04% to 17,817.9. The S&P 500 added about 0.29% to 2069.41 and the Nasdaq gained 0.89% to 4754.89. Although volumes were low yesterday, the Dow and the S&P 500 closed at record highs. Traders do expect China to take further monetary policy steps if needed. FX markets, the euro gained to 124.43 as German business sentiment data did beat expectations. The dollar was down 0.3% to 117.91 yen after creeping up to 118.59 early in the session. This has come after last night. The Bank of Japan meeting minutes did show concern over the weak yen at the moment. Aussie dollar slid to 85.82 as monetary easing in China did give way to concerns about the weakness of the world's second largest economy. Looking at commodities, data coming out of the States yesterday was limited. Gold was little changed at 1197.7. Oil prices are under the spotlight this week ahead of a much anticipated OPEC meeting in Vienna on Thursday, which could see a supply cut taking place. US crude was down 75 to 75 a barrel, while Brent slipped put to 0.3% to 79.42. Looking at equities now, Severn Trent reports a 3% rise in half-year profit before tax. Nationwide reported an 83% rise in underlying profit in its first half of its financial year after having increased its share of personal current account market. De La Rue reports a 37% fall in pre-tax profit in the first half of its financial year, while Kingfisher retailer posted an 11.8% decline in third quarter profit, hurt by tough French and foreign currency movements. News today, at 10 o'clock inflation report hearings coming out of the UK. At 1:30 we have the prelim GDP data coming out of the States, expected at 3.3%. At 3 o'clock this afternoon we have consumer confidence numbers also out of the States, expected at 95.9. Furthermore, on the news front, US prosecutors will travel to London in the coming weeks to interview traders about the FX currency market manipulation. This gives us an indication they are closer to filing criminal charges. Now looking at today at the open, the DAX is open at 97.89 flat, the FTSE at 67.37.9 and the CAC at 43.70.3.